Hello everyone, this is my portfolio summary. My name is Jeanette Ponce and this is for SPA 792B. Our agenda for today includes a brief personal introduction of myself, review over 3 previous standards, and review of 3 new standards, and our conclusion. I go by J. Education-wise, I obtained my BS in Kinesiology at CSUN, and we are soon to obtain our MA in Sports Administration. Experience-wise, these are some of the titles I've held in the previous years. My most current one is Admin Assistant to the Athletic Director, and also my contact information is available. Review of previous standards. Our first standard was first impressions. Our attire, facial expressions, are we smiling or not? Is our handshake firm or not? Body language, how confident we feel, and how we make others feel. Networking by Julia Keegan is a process that fosters the exchange of information and ideas among individuals or groups that share a common interest. So meeting new athletic directors or coaches would be part of our network. Identifying opportunities. 5 tips we received from Michael Page. 1 was patience and persistence. 2, look, listen, and talk. 3, think outside the square. 4, what's important to you. 5, be ready to act. Always look for new opportunities. Professional ethical obligations to students, clients. Student athletes are our responsibility. Fairness, help them make ethical decisions. We have to help our athletes thrive. As Siegler states, the sport manager is one who plans, organizes, staffs, leads, and controls progress toward predetermined goals. We set goals, we set standards, and we need to work with our students and get to know them. Mary A. Huns defines sports management as including the functions of planning, organizing, leading, and evaluating with the context of an organization with the primary objective of providing sport or fitness-related activities and/or services. We provide all those services. We need to plan and organize accordingly. Lead our students to do better and do more. The artifacts I chose for this are athletic department policies at Immaculate Heart High School, where I'm currently at, and our code of ethics, which is provided by CIF. So all students are required to sign and read those artifacts. Professional ethical obligations to peers is your second standard. Not all conflict is the same. Not all coaches are the same. Not all programs are the same. There are multiple types, and before we can begin to solve any problem, we must identify the conflict. Together as a team, as coaches, we can do that kind of stuff. We need to rely proper information to our coaches. We need to make sure that they are up to date, that they are certified, that they can continue to learn new things. The majority of problems come with interpretations and personalities. And athletics by nature is extremely competitive, which makes things a little more complicated, as Hodge stated. So we need to make sure that we are aware that everybody's different and we can work together. My artifact for this standard is our Google Docs, or my Google Docs, where I share new things, new ideas, work with our coaches and organize and plan everything so that we can all run our program smoother. Professional ethical obligations to society is our third standard, and as Byrne et al. States, leaders are characterized as honest, caring, and principled individuals who make fair and balanced decisions. CIF mission statement includes quality, training, education, and commitment of coaches, officials, administrators, and parents to improve the quality of athletic programs. I think parents are not as involved in our, obligations, and we need to educate them as well. We need to approach altercations, and they need to approach altercations in different manners as well. My artifact for this is their CIF Constitution and Bylaws. Here you can find examples and what you would do. So our solutions, we have our conflicts and solutions and how to deal with that. Also, I am a member of the NAIAA, which provides a code of ethics for athletic administrators, and parents are highly included in that. Our conclusion, my strengths, ethical obligations to students and peers, network, needs work. My professional ethical obligations to society needs a little bit more work. And overall, I'm still continuing to learn, still networking and learning new things. So I think, we're on a good path here. Thank you so much, and this concludes my presentation.